What is up, Togs? So just a little background for you. This is my Zion Smooth Q stabilizer that I've had since we first started this channel. If you're interested in seeing a review on how this stabilizer works, how well it works, how well it stabilizes, I'll leave a link up at the top of the window here so you guys can check out that video. But recently we found a crack in the drone's wing, in its arm, wing, whatever you want to call it. And so luckily I had a protection plan on it. We decided to replace Old Faithful here in the Zion Smooth Q. Long story short, we went with the DJI Osmo Mobile 3. We went with the combo because it was a better deal to get the case and a few extras that don't come with just the Osmo Mobile 3. So let's just get right to the unboxing with the Osmo Mobile 3 combo. So again, with the Osmo Mobile 3, you only get the stabilizer, and then I think a strap, charging cord, and whatnot. You don't get this. You probably would get this case too, but there's a few extras that you get with the Osmo combo that we're gonna check out right here. So it says on this that anti-slip pads to secure your mobile phone in the phone holder. So that's what those are. I don't really appreciate. Maybe these are extras, but I don't like that I was gonna have to put those on myself. Put that aside. A box here with, I'm sure, cords and whatnot. So, you know what, let's do that first and we'll get to the big dog last. Let's put that aside. You got your paperwork here. Put that aside, you don't want to see that. We've got charge cord. You've got a little tripod. This is an extra as well with the DJI Mobile 3 combo. Look into this box a little further. Oh, okay. So, got a little sack here for your Osmo. Maybe this is all you get with the standard Osmo Mobile 3, is just this sack here. So, here's the moment you've all been waiting for, the DJI Osmo Mobile 3. So you got a nice little case here, and I love that it collapses into this because just for comparison, you'll see how much more space this takes up and how much more space the whole case takes up with the Zion Smooth Q. So just to compare, once these are closed, I mean, this is going to take a lot less space in my bag than this is. As far as weight goes, actually the Osmo feels slightly heavier, which to me, I like my electronics to be on the heavy side, because to me it feels like more sturdy, right? And it feels maybe like it has a little bit better construction. So this is really simple here. All it does is fold forward and then back into the case. So again, that's a pretty simple thing, and it feels like a very good construction here. So I wouldn't worry about this mechanism here breaking or falling apart over time. But there you go. That's what you get with the DJI Osmo Mobile 3 combo pack. It comes with the case, the stabilizer itself, tripod, charge cord, non-slip pads for your phone, and then the little sack here that you can place the Osmo 3 in. So there you go. Feels really good construction. I can't wait to start playing with this and playing with the features. That's all I've got for you today. We're gonna find some creative ways to integrate this into the channel. If you're just clicking through, my channel is a motovlogging channel. So if that interests you, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you like this video or you found it helpful, interesting, make sure you hit that thumbs up down there. Guys, my name's Eric. I'm that one guy, and I am